or other members. So I can request Ittifaq Nabi please monetize.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hamidan wa musalliyan amma ba'd. Honorable President and respected teachers and dear my pupils, my heart is very glad and pleased after listening to your speech. When you are delivering the speech, I was very pleased and glad and very happy. First of all, I thank Maulana Qari Muhammad Tayyib Qasmi and all management of this madrasa, Darul Faizan Muhammadi, which is running under Iqra Education and Technical Foundation, who gave us golden chance for continuing this madrasa. After that, I thank and congratulate my big brother Maulana Zilur Rahman Nadwi, who held this program of Jawhar. After 2 years, I made after lockdown. My dear pupils, this is opportunity for all students who delivered speech in this program in language English. I asked and I will present some questions. Please answer me all questions. My dear brothers and my dear pupils, you belong to Bihar and UP. Why did you come this madrasa, Darul Faizan Muhammadi? Why? Have you any purpose? Have you any aim? Have you any future? Why did you come to madrasa? Why did your parents spend many rupees on your life? Why? There are many students who do not know why did we came this madrasa and why selected for this madrasa. My dear brothers, if you want to become a very biggest scholar, if you want to be the struggle, if you want to be a big writer, please struggle. If you want to be a biggest speaker of Islam, publisher of Islam, please struggle. This is golden chance. You have been given management of this madrasa. If you want to be like your teachers, like Maulana Ashfaq, Maulana Wajhul Qamar, Maulana Shukrullah, Maulana Saeed, Maulana Zilur Rahman, we had a big ideal, Qari Muhammad Tayyib, Saad Rashid, Maulana Muhyiddin Qasmi. All teachers are you for your big ideas. Please choose a teacher for your life. Select a teacher for your life. If you want to pass a successful life, please struggle. Please try and try. This is golden chance. If you pass this chance, golden chance in cooking, in working, in going to Mohanapur, in eating pakodi, cooking meat, in holiday. You cannot be a big person, you cannot be a big scholar, you cannot be a big publisher of Islam, you cannot be a Maulana Alinya, cannot. This is not possible for you. Then you become a very big person in this life, in this world. If you want, all person already, who is sleeping, who is living in this madrasa, who is passing golden time in this madrasa, he want to be a very big speaker, but he did not struggle in his life. My dear brothers and my dear pupils, please, I request to all pupil means child, I request to all pupils who is in this madrasa, who will attend this madrasa, please struggle. Inshallah subhanahu wa ta'ala, he will give you a very golden chance for publishing Islam in our world, in America, in Britannia, in Australia, in England, in Arab, in this country, India, inshallah. This is possible for our person. This is possible for our people who want to be a big person or a big publisher of Islam. My dear people, this is the best for me to all students. Please struggle. Inshallah subhanahu wa ta'ala, he made all students who want to a successful life. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala inshallah will give you all students a golden chance for successful life inshallah. Shukriya, jazakumullah khair. And I think in last program, Mr. Maulana Zil Rahman, who held this program, and Mr. Maulana Brother Minhaj, who